What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how we can link your Wise account to your CashApp account and withdraw money. Now Wise is a money transfer services that allows you to send money worldwide. So once you're able to withdraw from your CashApp, you can withdraw the money to any of your local bank accounts. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. So now let's get into the fun stuff. So from the profile icon up top, then go to link banks and then select link card, but you don't have a card, so select no card. Select continue. Now if you scroll through the list banks, you'll realize that Wise is not there. So what you're going to do is search for institution or search for Wise. Select Wise and then it's going to ask you to authenticate it Wise. So make sure you download the mobile app after you register. Select continue, log in, and then you'll get a prompt to log into your Wise app. So open the Wise app. Yes, it's me. And then let's return to CashApp. So Play would now like to access my account details, my accounts, my transfers, and my recipients. So I'm just going to proceed and give access. Select your US account, continue. And just like that, we are all set. So let's continue. And now let's see how we can cash out to our Jamaican bank account. So back to the home page, select cash out. Specify how much you want to cash out by sliding this little icon here. So I'm going to say $5 cash out. In this case, you can't do instant because you don't have a card linked to your account. So the next available date for me is Tuesday. So I'm going to select standard. And then just like that, it is sent. So this money will be sent to my Wise account on Tuesday. So let's log into the Wise app, as well as you can use the mobile app and then do a transfer to your local bank account. So you're going to select send, specify the amount that you want to send, say $10. So if you're not seeing your country currency on the list, then the best option is to go US to US. And what will happen is that your bank will then convert the US dollars or the Great Britain pound to your local currency. And then you can add recipient and you can select send to yourself or someone else. So I'm going to select myself. Now on this screen you have two options, local bank account and then you have the Swift account. You're going to be selecting the Swift option. Specify your Swift code and then specify your bank account. So I'm just going to go back and select an existing account that I have on profile. So I'm just going to step back. Select here my account. Select your purpose or transfer. I'm going to say investment, continue, continue. And then here just give me an overview of the transaction. So this is the Swift code for NCB as well as my account number. So you can easily research the Swift code online, as well as you can contact your bank to confirm the Swift code that they use. Now it's important to note that each bank will charge a telegraphic fee when they are receiving the money. So for example, NCB is going to cost you like $20 US, so you need to bear in mind, and tax are included. So on this screen you can choose how you pay. So I'm going to be selecting from my balance, which is the one at the top, and then select pay the amount that you want to send. So there, that was automatically done because of my face recognition. If you don't have that enabled, it may ask you for a password. That is the same password that you use while you're setting up your account. So the money will be in my NCB account by the 19th. So today is the 16th and the money should be in my account by the 19th. So within 3 business days, you should be receiving your deposit. So TransferWise not only just give you a multi-currency account, you can actually get a virtual and a physical card from TransferWise. I'll leave a link to a video and how you can get that done in the description as well. So my personal experience with Wise, it is just as good as any physical bank, and the fact that you don't have a monthly maintenance fee, like nothing really beats that, and your money is also protected. When compared to other money transfer services where the recipient has to provide like proof of address or proof of ID or whoever they are collecting the money from, Wise just send the money directly to their bank account. So you can send money to anybody and not being worried about being antagonized of providing proof of identification or anything like that.